5 miracle cures of garlic that will surprise you. Garlic is a highly common herb that is used to add flavor to dishes. However, not many people know that it also has several medicinal properties that have been appreciated for more than 5,000 years. In fact, the Greek physician Hippocrates, who was also the father of Western medicine, advised the use of garlic for a variety of diseases. In this video, we will discuss 5 surprising health benefits of garlic that are all backed by modern science. Benefit 1. Garlic improves the body's immune system, which protects you from colds. Also, garlic contains allicin, which is scientifically proven to improve the body's immune system. According to a study by the Garlic Information Center in the United Kingdom, those who consume garlic once every day experience 65% fewer colds compared to those who do not eat garlic. Although garlic does not necessarily cure the symptoms of the common cold, it could reduce the duration of these symptoms. Benefit 2. Garlic can prevent cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular problems, particularly heart attack and stroke, can be life-threatening. Good thing the compounds found in garlic can improve your cardiovascular health. These compounds can lessen the harmful cholesterol in your body by inhibiting the enzymes responsible for cholesterol production and regulate your blood pressure when you take around 4 cloves of garlic a day. Moreover, this herb also contains sulfur, which is good for your blood vessels and fights oxidative damage. Benefit 3. Garlic can minimize inflammation. Garlic and garlic extract can reduce inflammation in your body, especially allergic inflammation and swell that is brought about by arthritis, according to the Arthritis Research and Therapy Journal. This is because the organosulfur compounds found in garlic can reduce the production of substances in the blood that worsens inflammation. Furthermore, according to the Prescription for Herbal Healing by Phyllis F. Belch, taking garlic can boost the effectiveness of anti-inflammatory medicines that are used to reduce pain. Ultimately, this results in even greater relief from pain. Benefit 4. Garlic can fight viruses and bacteria. According to a study by the Weizmann Institute of Sciences Department of Biological Chemistry, garlic has antimicrobial properties that can fight off bacteria, parasites, yeast, and fungi. In fact, it can even be more effective compared to branded antibiotics. In another study published in the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy, it was found that garlic can inhibit H. pylori, which is a bacteria in the stomach that is difficult to eliminate. Benefit 5. Garlic is effective for the prevention of cancer. According to the National Cancer Institute, consuming garlic can minimize your risk of acquiring certain kinds of cancers, such as cancer of the stomach, pancreas, colon, breast, and esophagus because of the sulfides found in this herb. Due to garlic's antibacterial properties, it can improve DNA repair, block the production and activation of substances that cause cancer, regulate cell proliferation, as well as induce the death of cells. The World Health Organization recommends a dosage of 2 to 5 grams of fresh garlic, 2 to 5 milligrams of garlic oil, 0.4 to 1.2 grams of garlic powder, or 300 to 1,000 milligrams of garlic extract to witness a positive effect in your health. Though garlic is far from being a magic pill that can cure all illnesses, it has scientifically proven health benefits that are difficult to ignore. So if you want to stay away from the mentioned diseases, it is highly recommended to eat even just a single clove or consume garlic extract every day if you can't take the taste and smell of fresh garlic. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. For new subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. For old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.